Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel AutoPay for a Bank of America credit card using online banking step by step. To get started, sign in to your Bank of America account on the website. Once you're logged in, click on Bill Pay from the main menu. Next, find the credit card that currently has AutoPay turned on. Click on the small AutoPay link next to that card. This will take you to the AutoPay settings page. From here, look for the option to manage or edit AutoPay. You should see an option to turn AutoPay off or cancel AutoPay. Select that option and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. After confirming, go back to the Bill Pay page and make sure the AutoPay status no longer shows as active. The green On icon should be gone, confirming that AutoPay has been successfully canceled. If you don't see the option to turn AutoPay off, one workaround is to remove the existing credit card bill from Bill Pay and then re-add it later without enabling AutoPay. Keep in mind that if you remove and re-add a biller, you'll need to wait for the new e-bill to arrive before making changes again. Once AutoPay is canceled, make sure to manually pay your credit card bill going forward to avoid late fees or missed payments. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you cancel AutoPay on your Bank of America account, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.